Hello everyone and welcome to Ask the Source. Are you using TikTok to discover new talents and entertainment? TikTok has become a popular platform for discovering new music, dance moves, and funny videos. With its user-friendly interface and powerful algorithm, TikTok has become a go-to app for many people seeking quick entertainment. Today, we'll be discussing how to earn money using TikTok. If you're a TikTok user, you may be wondering if it's possible to monetize your content and earn money from the platform. The good news is that it is possible. So, let's see what are the ways you can earn money on TikTok and succeed on the platform. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and let's get into the video. There are many ways to earn money on TikTok. Among those ways, some are particularly special and can lead to more success in the field. So, let's see what they are. Number 1 is brand sponsorships. Brand sponsorships is one popular way to earn money on TikTok is through brand sponsorships. Brands will pay creators to feature their products in their videos or create sponsored content. To attract sponsors, it's important to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This can include videos showcasing a product, product reviews, or tutorials using the product. It's important to ensure that the sponsored content aligns with your brand and audience. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn money on TikTok. In this method, you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can partner with companies that have an affiliate program or use affiliate marketing platforms such as Amazon Associates. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products that align with your brand and audience. Number 3 is selling merchandise. Selling merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories featuring your brand can also be a way to earn money on TikTok. You can use platforms such as Teespring or Printful to create and sell your merchandise. It's important to create designs that resonate with your audience and promote your merchandise on your TikTok profile and other social media channels. Fourth one is TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok has launched the Creator Fund, which pays eligible creators for their content. To be eligible, you need to meet certain criteria, such as having a certain number of followers and views. The Creator Fund pays eligible creators based on their performance metrics such as views, engagement, and video completion rates. It's important to note that the Creator Fund is not available in all countries, so be sure to check if it's available in your location. In summary, to earn money on TikTok, you need to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience and explore different income streams such as brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, and the TikTok Creator Fund. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a following and earn money on TikTok, but staying authentic to your content and audience is key to success. Let's take a look at some inspiring success stories of creators who have earned money on TikTok. One such example is Addison Rae, who gained immense popularity with her dance videos and now boasts over 80 million followers. She's partnered with renowned brands like American Eagle and even launched her own makeup line. Another remarkable success story is that of Spencer X, who has over 60 million followers and has collaborated with prestigious brands like Sony, and has even performed at the Super Bowl. Both Addison and Spencer have found success on TikTok by staying true to their unique style and actively engaging with their audience. It's important to remember that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to achieving success on TikTok, and it's crucial to carve out your own niche and create content that resonates with your audience. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some essential tips for those who want to earn money on TikTok. Here are some general pieces of advice that could help you achieve success on the platform. Firstly, be patient. Building a following and earning money on TikTok takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight success. Secondly, stay authentic to your content and audience. Your followers can tell when you're not being genuine. Thirdly, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one method to earn money. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages and show your appreciation for their support. Remember, your audience is the reason for your success on TikTok. Thank you for watching and joining us here at Ask the Source. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay curious and keep asking questions. See you in the next video.